I don't have to listen to you. That's the thing.
Can I talk to you or not?
I have no reason to listen to what you got to say. I'm just going to wash my car. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong.
You're right. I'm right.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In a recent episode, I featured Truth Be Told audits.
You're about to look stupid. You're about to look stupid.
Be quiet.
I'm allowed to talk.
If you step any closer to me,
Debo, do not feed into it. Debo.
stand right over there. If you step one more foot closer to my unit, I'm going to take it as a threat, and I'm going to act accordingly.
Debo. Tone it back, son.
I'm trying.
Tone it back.
Turn around and face my unit. Place your hands on top of your head and interlace your fingers.
I am recording you. Oh, so, okay.
You need to learn the law. So right now,
I do know the law.
Be quiet.
I don't have
Shut
to
your
be-
mouth.
To view that first encounter, use the links provided below, because today we're taking a look at another incident that occurred recently when he had arrived at a car wash in Walker, Louisiana to clean his vehicle. But upon his arrival, he noticed a traffic stop down the street and decided instead to head to the nearby gas station to film the interaction.
Got 2 cops on him.
The stop was uneventful and the officers left, and Truth Be Told travels back to the car wash. He picks a spot, finishes a phone call, and gathers some quarters from his center console, and just minutes after parking, he notices Walker police cruisers pull up behind him.
Look at this. Look at this right here.
How you doing, buddy?
Good. About yourself. Name and badge numbers?
Officer Chester, Walker Police Department.
How you doing? How you doing? And yours? Look at him running the plate. Look at this. Come on, Craven. What you doing?
Huh?
Was this the car wash?
Car wash, yeah.
Car wash.
What you doing, Craven?
What's up, Bob? You doing all right?
Yeah, about yourself, man.
Good. You got a license, registration, insurance on you?
4,
Or your license actually where I can identify you?
4.
Because you're loitering at this point. You're not using this business.
I bet you I got quarters out on my seat that I was fixing to wash my car.
Okay, well, you've been here.
I've been here. I've been here for 4 minutes. I've been here for 4 minutes. I've already been here.
For the owner.
Okay.
This is loitering. You're not using
This is not loitering. This is not loitering.
You're not using the business.
So I can't use my phone. I can't hang up on the phone call. This is not loitering.
Can I have your ID, please, sir?
Craven, really? You really gonna go this far?
Can I have your ID, please, sir?
For sitting here for 3 minutes before I wash my car?
Can I have your ID, sir?
And finish the cigarette before? For what crime? What crime do you suspect me of committing?
I just said you were loitering. I've always.
It's not loitering.
Yes, it is. It is.
I've been sitting here for 3 minutes and I've got it all on camera. I've got it all on camera.
No problem.
I've got it all on camera.
Can
Okay.
I see your ID, please?
For what crime?
I just said loitering.
Loitering. That is not loitering, sir.
Okay.
Walker, Louisiana does not have a specific statute for loitering, but it is mentioned under the offense of vagrancy. It is aimed at those who loiter around any public place of assembly without lawful business or reason to be present. It is further defined by the Louisiana Revised Statutes as, quote, for a protracted period of time, but the definition never specifies a value. Truth Be Told attempts to reason with the tyrants that are obviously retaliating against him by offering a valid excuse as to why he had not exited his vehicle. He explains that it took a few minutes to find enough quarters to use the facility, but Corporal Craven's contempt for the public's effort to create transparency in law enforcement by filming them is far greater than his respect for the US Constitution, his oath to uphold it, and our basic human rights. His apparent disdain is then mixed with a perception of power, which elevates his ego. But the cherry on top is the known lack of accountability. The corporal knows the game he is playing and understands the rules in which he must play. But perhaps more importantly, he understands the boundaries in which he must operate to effectively cheat.
Can you show me your ID, please, sir? One more time. Can I identify you, please, sir? I have a lawful right to identify you. You're committing a crime, loitering. If you don't identify yourself, by state law, that's resisting an officer. Do you know that?
I know 14-108, 1408,
I'm telling you,
108, am I right or wrong?
resisting an officer
14.108.
You're failing to identify yourself.
It's not failure to ID if there's no
Yes.
crime being committed.
You are committing a crime.
I've got quarters. I've already showed the quarters on my passenger
You
seat.
haven't shown me
I had to
quarters.
finish.
You haven't
I was
shown me
trying to finish my
quarters.
cigarette before I washed my car.
Can you give me your ID, please?
You really want to go this way? All right, watch
Show
this,
me your
people.
ID.
rights violations, Fourth Amendment rights violations
Sure,
right here.
absolutely. Show it to
Yep.
me.
This is a Fourth Amendment rights violation right here, people. I was finishing my cigarette, fixing to wash my car because it's dirty, and he wants to come up and violate my Fourth Amendment rights right here.
Talking about search and seizure.
It appears that Officer Walker doesn't quite understand the Fourth Amendment. Yes, it is talking about search and seizure, but many officers featured on the channel still don't understand that a detention and the demand for identification are both seizures, and running a person's ID without a lawful reason to do so qualifies as a search. Truth be told, is the primary caregiver for a disabled elderly family member, and he is not in a position to take the ride. But an arrest isn't required for a violation of one's rights, or to pursue civil action. Instead, with the threat of arrest, truth be told audits furnishes his ID.
This is a Fourth Amendment right to my papers, persons, and effects for committing no crime.
That's not-
There's no
that's
crime.
not-
There's no crime being. There's no. I don't give a shit what you got to say. There's no crime being committed here. I was fixing to wash my car. I was finishing my cigarette. I've been here for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, and it's all on camera. So you're about to look stupid in front of everybody. And what's your badge number?
Walker 34.
34. I already got 32 fired because of some stupid shit like this. And Craven knows who the hell I am. Look at this. Look at this. Let me show you all my quarters again that I was going to wash my car with. They're all right here. I was finishing my cigarette, fixing to wash my car, and he decides to come over and tell me I am loitering.
So if you're not using this business,
I'm using this business.
So we've been sitting over there for over 4 minutes.
Oh, so we're judging this whole we're judging this whole entire stop over 3 and 4 minutes.
But we've been sitting
3 or
over
4
there
minutes.
over 3 or 4 minutes.
Dude, it takes 6 minutes. It takes 6 minutes to smoke my cigarette. It takes 6 minutes to smoke my cigarette. It takes 6 minutes to smoke my cigarette.
It is cameras. It is.
That's fine. Yes, and I'm recording the whole entire thing.
For being here because you're not
Oh
using this
my
business.
God! Yeah, right,
So
dude.
you're not using this business at all. Where are your quarters at?
They're right here.
Let me see your quarters.
Right here. They're right there in the passenger seat.
Okay.
They're right there. See them all lined up across the seat right there?
Down there,
Okay.
but why did you-
But I have a right to smoke a cigarette before I wash my car, you idiot.
Okay.
Idiot.
That's fine.
Y'all are fisting Craven's fisting to get fired. Y'all just lost y'all's qualified immunity.
That's it.
Yeah, y'all just lost y'all's qualified
That's
immunity. Yep.
Look, I'm gonna tell you this one time, okay?
I'm washing my car.
Are you gonna listen to me?
I don't have to listen to you. That's the thing. I'm washing my car. Now, did you run my driver's license so I can continue with my night?
Can I talk to you or not?
I have no reason to listen to what you got to say. I'm just going to wash my car
All he was
after I
doing
finish
was
my cigarette.
identify you.
But it is a Fourth Amendment violation for no
it's
crime
not.
being
It's not.
committed.
You were committed a crime. Loitering is a crime.
Loitering is. I have been
Loitering
sitting here for
is a
3 minutes.
crime.
Listen to this, people. Listen to
Loitering
this.
is a crime.
This is ignorance.
It's on camera. The owners,
Exactly.
the
3
owners
minutes,
have
4 minutes.
called
I've been
us
sitting here.
several times about people sitting here doing unlawful things.
I'm finishing my
unlawful
cigarette
things.
and fixing to wash my car.
So
That gives me a right to sit here for 3 minutes until I finish my cigarette.
gives me a right to identify you because
It does not. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong.
You're right. I'm right.
No, you're wrong.
Right. And guess
Craven,
what's
you're
crazy?
wrong.
And what's
You wasn't sitting
crazy
here 3 minutes.
is the same camera system that you're talking about is the same camera system that's going to see you then following us around making traffic stops.
I have every right to follow y'all. I have every right to keep my government accountable.
I have every right to identify you when you're committing a crime.
I have not committed
have
no
a-
crime. I have
every
not
right
committed
to
no
do
crime. I have
something
not
right
committed
now.
a crime. I should have let you take me to jail. Is what I should have did. I should have refused the ID, and you should have taken me to jail because I would have had your badge. You want to go? You want to go ahead and turn it in now? Take off the whole clown costume. Take off the whole clown costume. I am clean. I know I don't have nothing wrong with me.
Said -17.
That's right. -17. But you're out with somebody. See, I know what. And you're talking about 14108. It is failure to ID for not giving ID whenever it is lawfully reasoned. But it is not. It is.
It is a law.
So if somebody decides to pull up in a car wash and dig quarters out of their console and have a cigarette before they wash their car, they're not allowed to do that.
But you've been
If
sitting
you're
here
out of your car,
I cannot dig in my center console to get quarters out when I'm out of my car.
showing that you're actually using the business, I have no problem with that.
But I have proof that I'm using this
You
business.
don't have proof. You don't have proof because
You don't have proof that I'm not using this business.
Okay, I was over there sitting
For
there.
3 minutes, 4 minutes. You even said on camera that it was 4 minutes.
we can
Just
I
go on,
understand.
go do y'all's job so I can continue with my night.
Okay.
Bye. Deuces. Y'all are dismissed. You're dismissed.
You can grab your
Dismissed.
ID, but if you're going to use this business, you go ahead and use the business.
I'm going to dismiss. Dismiss. I don't even want to hear this. Go on. Dismiss. 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 Goodbye. Y'all have a bad night because y'all deserve it. Y'all. Good night. Good night. Get out of here. This is what you call ignorance of the law. Fourth Amendment violation. I will have your badge, Craven. I will have it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now get out of here.
Okay. Make sure you use that.
Make sure you keep your mouth shut. You have the right to remain silent. Use it.
You should.
You should. Yeah, that's right. You have a right to remain silent.
After intentionally wasting his time with an unlawful detention, the officers leave without making an arrest or citing truth be told, which is further evidence of their alleged malicious intent. But let me know what you think. Should officers be allowed on patrol without fully understanding the connection between detaining and IDing a person and the Fourth Amendment? And is it at all reasonable to detain someone for loitering after sitting in their vehicle for just 4 minutes? Let me know in the comments down below, and check out Truth Be Told Audit's other videos using the links in the description. And don't forget to watch another episode linked on screen.